Caterpillar. A caterpillar is the larval stage of butterflies, moths, and other similar insects. It has a long, soft, segmented body and is usually divided into two main parts, the head and the trunk. The head is equipped with small jaws for chewing and tiny eyes that are not very effective for vision. Characteristics: body soft, flexible, and elongated. Caterpillars come in many colors such as green, black, yellow, or even pattern. Legs: they have small true legs near the head and additional prolegs on the abdomen that help them move and grip surfaces. Diet: most caterpillars feed on leaves, flowers, stems, or crops. Some species also consume stored food products. Life cycle: caterpillars hatch from eggs and spend most of their time eating and growing. After reaching a certain size, they enter the pupal stage chrysalis or cocoon, where they undergo metamorphosis and eventually transform into adult butterflies or moths. Roles and benefits: serve as food for birds, fish, and other small animals. Play a role in maintaining ecological balance. Certain species, like the silk moth caterpillar, provide benefits to humans' silk production. Drawbacks: many caterpillars are considered agricultural pests, as they can damage crops, trees, and stored products. Large infestations may cause serious losses to farmers and the economy. Adaptations: caterpillars have developed many fascinating adaptations for survival. Camouflage: many species are green or brown, blending in with leaves and twigs to avoid predators. Warning colors: some are brightly colored, signaling that they may be toxic or unpalatable. Hairs and spines: certain caterpillars are covered with tiny bristles or stinging hairs that can irritate predators and even humans. Importance in ecosystems: pollination indirectly. While caterpillars themselves do not pollinate, their transformation into butterflies or moths contributes to pollination as adults. Soil fertility: their droppings frass enrich the soil with organic matter. Biodiversity indicator: the presence and variety of caterpillars can indicate the health of an ecosystem. Human interaction: positive impact. Silk production from the silkworm. Bombyx mori has been a cornerstone of human culture and economy for thousands of years. Caterpillars inspire education and scientific research, helping students and scientists understand metamorphosis and insect biology. Negative impact: species like the armyworm and cutworm are notorious pests, destroying large areas of crops in a short period of time. Infestations can force farmers to use pesticides, which may have further environmental consequences. Interesting facts: caterpillars can increase their body mass by more than 1,000 times during their larval stage. They molt several times, shedding their skin as they grow. Some caterpillars can release chemical defenses or even mimic snakes to scare away predators. They have up to 4,000 muscles in their tiny bodies, far more than humans.
Scientific classification: Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Arthropoda, Class Insecta, Order Lepidoptera, butterflies and moths, Stage Larva, caterpillar stage. Growth and development: caterpillars go through several growth stages called instars. At the end of each instar, they molt, shed their skin, to allow further growth. Depending on the species, a caterpillar may molt 4 to 6 times before entering the pupal stage. Feeding phase: during this time, caterpillars are extremely hungry, eating almost constantly to store energy for metamorphosis. Pupal phase: some spin a silk cocoon, moths, while others form a chrysalis, butterflies. Inside, their body completely reorganizes into the adult form. Defense mechanisms: caterpillars are vulnerable, so they use many strategies to protect themselves. Camouflage, resembling twigs, bird droppings, or leaves. Startle patterns: some have eye-like spots to scare predators. Chemical defenses, releasing toxins or distasteful chemicals from their bodies. Behavioral defenses: curling up, dropping to the ground or moving in large groups to confuse predators. Cultural and symbolic role. Caterpillars also appear in human culture. Symbol of transformation, they represent change and growth as they turn into butterflies. Folklore and literature, caterpillars often appear in children's stories, art, and poems. Education, watching a caterpillar transform into a butterfly is a classic classroom activity worldwide. Summary. Caterpillars are fascinating creatures with a crucial role in the life cycle of butterflies and moths, ecological importance, serving as food and enriching ecosystems, economic impact, both positive and negative, silk production and crop damage, cultural value, symbolizing transformation and new beginnings. In short, caterpillars are not only essential insects in nature, but also powerful symbols of change, growth, and resilience. Report on caterpillars. 1. Introduction. Caterpillars are the larval stage of butterflies and moths belonging to the order Lepidoptera. They are among the most widely recognized insect larvae, known for their rapid growth, insatiable appetite, and eventual transformation into winged adults. This report explores their biology, ecological significance, interactions with humans, and symbolic role in culture. 2. Biological characteristics. Body structure. Caterpillars have elongated, segmented bodies that are soft and flexible. They typically possess 6 true legs on the thorax and several prolegs on the abdomen for gripping. Feeding habits.
Final conclusion. In summary, caterpillars are not merely simple leaf-eating insects. They are vital components of the natural world. As the larval stage of butterflies and moths, they play a crucial role in the cycle of metamorphosis and contribute significantly to ecosystems as both consumers and prey. While they provide benefits such as silk production and serve as valuable educational models, they can also become destructive agricultural pests. Beyond their biological importance, caterpillars embody powerful cultural symbolism, representing growth, change, and transformation. Therefore, understanding caterpillars is essential not only for science and agriculture, but also for appreciating the deeper connection between humans and nature.